Budgie Babies and why you shouldn't breed. Let us explore these reasons for not breeding your budgie in detail here. When you are planning to breed your budgie, you need to determine their relationship. If you put them home from the same pet shop, there are high chances of them being siblings. A closely related pair is a strict no for Budgie. There have been several Budgie pairs, so if your budgies are close relatives and you try to breed them, the chances of dynamite or stillborn chickens are quite high. The risk reduced with a gap of at least 2 generations. However, it is best to breed completely unrelated budgies to entirely avoid the risk. To determine the relation of your budgies, you must get your birds tested by an experienced vet. This would help you know whether to go ahead with the breeding process of your budgie or not. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.